Hello and welcome to the nutrition simulation. Begin by setting each seat at the table. Each seat should have a plate or bowl, a setting of fork, knife, and spoon, an allergy or intolerance card, a food package, a cup, and a water bottle. Also make sure that each place setting has a container of Play-Doh, and also make sure that there's the vase with the flowers and also a container of beads set in the center of the table. Begin by having each participant place a glove over one of their hands and take 5 different pieces of tape and have them use them to wrap them around the second knuckle of each finger. The tape represents the musculoskeletal degeneration that many adults face in their older age. Next, have your participants open up the jar of Play-Doh and dump it onto their plates. Have them pick up the knife and the fork and use it to start cutting up the Play-Doh. This demonstrates the difficulty of an everyday task such as cutting up your meal. Be sure to have the participants stop and reflect at the end of each activity they do at this station. For the next part of the simulation, have the participants read the allergy or intolerance card in front of them. Each participant also has a food package. Have them read the nutrition label on their designated food package to decide if they can purchase that food based on their intolerance or allergy. Be sure to remind them of the importance of being aware of food restrictions that they may have based on intolerances or allergies, or diet restrictions that they may have developed as they aged. Next, have your participants come back to the Play-Doh in front of them. Tell them that they have ordered a meal at a restaurant, but it came with certain ingredients that they can't eat because of their allergy or intolerance. Place 3 to 5 of the small beads into the Play-Doh and have the participants pick them out with their knife and fork. This further emphasizes the difficulties of everyday activities and fine motor tasks that many older adults may experience because of their musculoskeletal degeneration. At the end of the simulation, have the participants experiment with holding the different shaped cups on the table. Inform them that as they age, because of the musculoskeletal degeneration that they may have, certain cups are more difficult to hold, and bottles and jars can be very difficult to open. This can be very discouraging for many older adults, causing them to not have adequate nutrition intake or become dehydrated if they choose not to eat or drink because of these challenges. To conclude the simulation, have your participants engage in a final reflection about their experiences.